Hi guys, I think I'm about 35 days out from my trip to Alaska, so I think it's time to start packing. So I'm starting my packing for Alaska, and of course, what do I want to take? The first thing that I want to pack with me for this trip are binoculars. I definitely want to be able to see wildlife up close and personal. I don't want them to see me, but I want to be able to see the wildlife up close. And I thought a new pair of binoculars might help me do that. I have a pair that I always carry with me when I'm cruising, but I thought these might help me out a little bit more. They're supposed to have an extra attachment that will help me to film from my camera. So let's see. This looks like this is going to be some kind of holder for the phone. There is the little instruction, folding prism binoculars. So hopefully this makes things easy to understand. And then lastly is a little case. They're very small, which is okay. I wanted a small pair. I don't want to take anything that's going to be too bulky or difficult for me to use. This says 300 times 25. I think that's a pretty good, I think that will help me with distance. Hopefully you can see that. I'm not sure if this is backwards or not. 300 times 25. I think it will be helpful in bringing things closer and clearer for me to see. I'm gonna try and figure out how this attachment works and see if we can do a with and without video. Okay, so these are the binoculars. I did get them on Amazon. It looks like, I don't know how to say that. Jivcock is the name of the brand. And I got them because they say that the binoculars are, well, they're compact, but they give a 300 time magnification zoom and a 25 millimeter large field of view, letting you observe and focus on the target in great detail 367 feet or 1,000 yards away. So it's ideal for adults and kids, bird watching, hunting, camping, climbing, hiking, safari, travel, opera, concert, and sporting events. This sounded like it would do the job. They also were not expensive. Again, I didn't want to take anything too heavy or complicated to use. These were $19.99. I believe I did have a coupon when I purchased them on Amazon. Okay, this happens to be the view from my back porch. So I'm gonna see if I can focus on something with the attachment onto the binoculars and see if it makes a difference. I might need to actually go outside for this, but let's see. Without. This is the same view without the binoculars.